We've got so many challenges ahead of us. Bringing young minds into this is super important. These are the people which are going to shape the future. I am Dr. Ian Mabbett. I'm an Associate Professor in Chemistry here at Swansea University, and I'm also our Enterprise Partnerships and Innovation Lead for the Faculty of Science and Engineering. So I try and use chemistry to mitigate climate change. So I'm looking at our net zero targets and trying to work out how we can use the systems around us, so energy systems, transport systems, to work together to reduce our impact on the environment. My specific area has always been around coating technologies, and coatings are interesting because our buildings are already coated, but normally for aesthetics and to make the building last longer. We want to use that to generate energy, which we can use to do useful things. And we can use that to produce our hot water and to help us to heat the building. I'm here at Swansea University. This building is energy positive. That means that it generates more energy than it consumes. That's largely because of coated materials produced by chemists. The coating on the roof produces electricity from the sun, and the walls can produce heat and electricity. The excess energy from the building can be used to power other things, like this electric car. We can use coating technologies to generate electricity. This is a new type of photovoltaic. We're looking to produce materials that can be printed so that we can have continuous manufacture. We can take a roll of a solar panel and we can stick that directly onto the building. So it means that we can produce a roof that does more than just keep the wind and rain out, but enables us to generate power, and we can store all of that in batteries. One of the great things about my job is how varied it is. My typical working day could consist of teaching students in a lecture theatre, having meetings with industrial partners, or even talking to local and national governments about how policy needs to reflect the challenges and enable the solutions. I knew that I wanted to do a chemistry degree because I enjoy the practical aspects of chemistry. What shaped me from there was that during my degree I did a year in industry. And I began to realise how much thought goes into everything that's around us. And then you start to realise that you have a part to play in that, and you can be one of the people thinking about these things and shaping these products around you. Chemistry's got a hugely important part in changing the world. We've got issues around provision of clean water, we've got issues around transport. How do we store energy? How do we produce energy? And chemistry really is at the heart of the technology solutions.